Submersible sewage pumps are available in FLV series, Franklin Low Voltage. Made of stainless steel and cast iron, 40 FLV models are suitable for draining water from road drain wells, residential basements, and from domestic sites without electric current. Silent and easy to install, they offer maximum safety. FLV pumps are equipped with a permanent magnet DC motor. They can be powered with an external battery, ensuring their operation even in absence of electricity and in emergency situations. The voltage of these submersible electric pumps is 12 or 24 volts. The batteries allow the pump to operate autonomously for 2 hours at full speed. DC submersible wastewater lift pumps are equipped with cast iron Vortex impeller. The FLV series are the best solution for the drainage of domestic wastewater, but also for residential and industrial grey water.